Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Introducing the FridgePower, an ultra-slim backup power solution for your fridge. It fits where traditional units can't, so you don't have to trade space for power. When the power goes out, your food stays fresh and your essentials stay safe. Here's everything you get in the box. And you can always add more to go further. The FridgePower is super slim, just 2.95 inches, about as wide as a phone. However, this thing packs a punch. It starts with 2016 watt-hours of capacity, enough for everyday outages. You can even expand it up to 8,064 watt-hours with 3 Blue Cell 200 batteries. That's multi-day backup. In a blackout, it kicks into action in just 10 milliseconds, 40 times faster than a blink, keeping 80% capacity even after 4,000 cycles. It can push 1,800 watts and 3,600 watt surge, so it handles your fridge startup and more. Plus, super energy efficient, drawing only 3 watts at idle. A removable dust filter makes cleaning quick and easy, and it helps keep the unit running at its best. You've got smart weather alerts, a magnetic screen for quick info, voice control, and the BLUETTI app, so you can check and control it anytime, anywhere. The FridgePower isn't just backup power, it's peace of mind. Compact, intelligent, and always ready. That's it for today. Thanks for choosing the FridgePower. Follow our channel or visit our website for more tips and updates. See you next time.